Picture this: pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, luxurious overwater bungalows, and the love of your life by your side. Sounds like a dream honeymoon, right? And if you think the Maldives is only for the rich and famous, think again. You can experience this island paradise without breaking the bank. In this video, we're going to unveil the best budget Maldives honeymoon packages from India, proving that romance and luxury don't have to come with a hefty price tag. Get ready to discover how you can have your dream honeymoon in the Maldives, even on a budget. Let's dive in. Debunking the myth of the expensive Maldives. The Maldives has long been synonymous with luxury and exclusivity, often perceived as a destination reserved for the ultra-wealthy. And while it's true that the Maldives offers some of the most luxurious resorts in the world, it's also possible to experience its magic on a budget. With careful planning and the right honeymoon package, you can enjoy the same stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and romantic ambiance without emptying your savings. The secret lies in knowing where to look and what to prioritize. Key strategies for a budget-friendly Maldives honeymoon. Before we explore specific packages, let's discuss some key strategies for planning a budget-friendly Maldives honeymoon. Travel during the off-season. The Maldives has a peak season, November to April, and an off-season, May to October. Traveling during the off-season, which is the monsoon season, can significantly reduce the cost of flights and accommodations. While there might be some rain, you'll still enjoy plenty of sunshine and warm temperatures, and the resorts are less crowded. Consider local islands. Instead of expensive private resort islands, consider staying on local islands like Mafushi, Fulidhu, or Guraidhu. This allows you to experience authentic Maldivian culture, enjoy more affordable accommodations and dining options, and still have access to beautiful beaches and water activities. Choose guest houses or budget hotels. Guest houses and budget hotels on local islands offer comfortable and clean accommodations at a fraction of the price of resort stays. Look for package deals. Many tour operators offer budget-friendly honeymoon packages that bundle flights, accommodations, transfers, and sometimes meals and activities. Take advantage of all-inclusive options. All-inclusive packages, even on a smaller scale, can help you manage your budget by covering meals, drinks, and sometimes even activities. Embrace free activities. Enjoy the natural beauty of the Maldives with free activities like swimming, sunbathing, snorkeling, and exploring the local islands. Budget-friendly Maldives, honeymoon packages, examples. Now, let's explore some specific examples of budget Maldives honeymoon packages from India. Package 1. Mayafushi Magic, 4 nights, stars, 5 days. This package focuses on the local island of Mafushi, known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and affordable guest houses. Round-trip flights from India, 4 nights accommodation in a comfortable guest house on Mafushi, daily breakfast, airport transfers by speedboat, a snorkeling trip to a nearby reef, and a sunset cruise. Estimated price 40,000 to 60,000 rupees per person. Highlights: experience local Maldivian life, enjoy affordable water sports, explore nearby reefs, and relax on stunning beaches. Package 2. Fulidhu Fling, 5 nights, 6 days. This package takes you to the tranquil island of Fulidhu, another local island paradise. Inclusions: round-trip flights from India, 5 nights accommodation in a beachfront guest house, daily breakfast and dinner, airport transfers by speedboat, a dolphin watching tour, and a guided island tour. Estimated price: 50,000 to 70,000 rupees per person. Highlights: enjoy a more secluded and peaceful island experience, swim with manta rays, seasonal, explore the local village, and unwind on pristine beaches. Package 3. Budget Resort Retreat, 3 nights, 4 days. This package offers a taste of the resort experience without the exorbitant price tag, usually on a resort island closer to Male. Inclusions: round-trip flights from India, 3 nights accommodation in a standard room at a budget-friendly resort, daily breakfast, airport transfers by speedboat. Estimated price: 60,000 to 90,000 rupees per person. Highlights: experience the convenience and amenities of a resort, enjoy beautiful beaches and house reefs, and have access to various water sports and activities, maybe at an additional cost. These are just examples, and prices can vary depending on the season, specific inclusions, choice of airline and accommodation, and the tour operator. It is important to shop around and find the best deals. Making the most of your budget honeymoon here are some additional tips to make your budget Maldives honeymoon even more memorable. Book in advance. Booking your flights and accommodations well in advance can often help you secure better rates, especially if you're traveling during the shoulder season. Look for discounts and promotions. Keep an eye out for special offers from airlines, tour operators, and hotels. Pack smart. Bring your own snorkeling gear, sunscreen, and insect repellent to avoid paying inflated prices on the islands. Eat local. Enjoy delicious and affordable meals at local restaurants and cafes instead of relying solely on resort dining. Negotiate prices. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices for excursions, water sports, and souvenirs, especially on local islands. Embrace the simple pleasures. The Maldives is all about enjoying the natural beauty and tranquility. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, reading, and simply relaxing with your loved one. Climax, an affordable dream come true. So, there you have it. Proof that a dream honeymoon in the Maldives doesn't have to be a financial nightmare. With careful planning, smart choices, and a little bit of research, you can experience the magic of the Maldives without compromising on romance or luxury. Imagine yourselves strolling hand in hand on pristine beaches, snorkeling in crystal clear waters, and witnessing breathtaking sunsets, all within your budget. The Maldives is waiting to welcome you with open arms, offering an unforgettable honeymoon experience that you'll cherish forever. Ready to start planning your budget-friendly Maldives honeymoon? Let me know in the comments below which package or island caught your eye. And if you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and inspiration, and share this video with anyone who's dreaming of a romantic getaway to the Maldives. Happy travels, and may your honeymoon be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories.